Hey everybody, it's Mr. Chris with the Hudson Area Public Library. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and welcome back to school, everybody. So if you're either at school or you're online taking classes from home, whatever your situation is, it's kind of back to school week. So I've got a special take and make activity we've got at the library this week. So I'll show you what you've got. You've got a roll of register paper, and then you'll have a sticker sheet with the planets in the solar system. And what you're going to make is a scale model of the solar system. So you'll have your direction sheet, which is in the packet, that'll show you how to do it. And then you'll have some information on some planets in our solar system. So let me just show you how this works. So I've got one that's already been made up. So what the direction sheet will show you how to do is how to make the folds, where to make the folds in the register paper, and then where you put each planet for it. So why I really like this is a couple reasons, because I think a lot of you have probably seen the picture of a solar system and all the planets are kind of bunched up all in a row, and that's great for seeing the planets, but it's horrible for understanding how far apart the planets are really spaced in the solar system. So this is not a scale model. The planets are not the right size to each other because the stickers are all about the same size. But the spacing is correct, if that makes sense, for the solar system. So you'll see at this size, there's the sun for the beginning, and then Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and then the asteroid belt. So you can see how relatively, those are all really packed together at the front part of the solar system. But then as you get further out, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, and then ending with the Kuiper belt, which is all those kind of snowball objects where Pluto is located. So that's your activity, and that's what it'll look like when you're done. So each of the lines represents an orbit, and you can do those with crayons or colored markers or whatever you like. That's the only thing I didn't put in your bag because I figured you would all have that at home. But you get the paper and the stickers and then the instruction sheet that'll tell you how to do the folds and where to make them for that. And then the last thing I'm going to say, I chose this activity because we just got news that the park board and the city council approved we're going to be installing a scale solar system model along Dyke Road by the park downtown by the library. So we're generating the graphics right now and sending them out to get printed, and we'll be putting that all along. And we'll have more information on that in the next video, but that's why I kind of thought I'd let you do your own pocket solar system to celebrate being back to school, and then we're going to have a cool walking solar system display downtown in Hudson. So that's it for today. Again, like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.